From ignorance, lead me to truth. From darkness, lead me to light. From death, lead me to immortality. That's the meaning of Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityorma Amrutangamaya. It does not speak of divinity or any religion, basically says take us from ignorance to knowledge. It's as simple as that. Deepavali holds deep cultural and spiritual significance in Indian society, known as the Festival of Lights. It symbolizes the triumph of light over darkness, knowledge over ignorance, and good over evil. People across India, regardless of regional and cultural difference, come together to celebrate. Traditionally, Deepavali is also a time for exchanging sweets, a gesture that spread happiness and warmth. I have tried making a special recipe of Badusha, a classic Diwali sweet. Badusha, with its soft texture and delicate sweetness, is a favorite treat and perfect for making the celebration extra memorable. Happy Deepavali! Deepavali ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.